Hello and welcome to my reflection video for my 4-week independent project at Vision Tech. I'm Abby and I will be showing you how to make a cartoon character based off an image using Adobe Illustrator. I used this project to expose myself to Illustrator. I had never really worked in Illustrator before, so I had to get the basics before I made my character. Throughout this project, I used various tutorials and I will leave them linked in the description. So now I'm going to show you kind of step by step of how I made my character. Now that you have Illustrator open, you're going to want to choose a picture. And as you can see here, here's my picture, and I have cropped my picture to fit my character. So now that you have your character, you're going to want to work on all of your face detail. So throughout this whole project, I use the pen tool, which is located right here. And this is to give you custom shapes that will fit your face and give you the shadows. So for my face detail, I really worked on showing the shadows of my face and to give my face the depth. And I also showed my eyebrows, which are right here and here, and my eyes, my eyelids, and the shadows under my eyes, and then my nose here, and my mouth. Two things I did not use the pen tool on was my eyes here, and I used the ellipse tool, which is located right here. And then for my freckles, I used the brush tool, which is right here. Okay, so after my face detail, I worked on just a basic face shape. So this is just a rough basic shape. It doesn't need to be perfect because my hat and my hair will cover it later. So after I did my face shape, I went to my hat and I used the pen tool and made the basic shape of my hat, which is the lighter orange, and then under here, which is the shadow of the bottom of the hat, and then another lighter shadow right here, and then the lines to create the depth of the hat. Next, I worked on my face shadows, and right here was a darker shadow from the hat, and then down here was a lighter shadow, so I made sure to illustrate that in my character. Next, I did my hair. For my hair, I just did another basic outline with the pen tool, and then I went in and added the little details of the curls with the pen tool with a lighter color. And then for my ponytail, I just drew my ponytail with the pen tool and then made it black. So one of the finishing touches on my character I did was my shirt, my neck, and my arm. So my shirt wasn't really there in the picture, so I kind of had to imagine that and draw that with a pen tool. And then same with my arm. I just made that run off the page. So the last part I did was my background, and I just used the rectangle tool and made the basic background with the color yellow. And so that is the finished project. Overall, I had a really fun time with this project. Even though Adobe can sometimes be very difficult to understand, I learned a lot about Illustrator. There would be a couple things I would change if I did it again, but overall I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Thanks for watching.